new ninja sword made out of craft sticks. My aim for this project was to make another ninja sword. This one I wanted to be real thin and very sleek. So I started with a popsicle stick that I carved a ninja sword shape out of. After some filing and sanding and creating the handguard, I glued the pieces together. To create the handguard, I usually drill 2 holes and then cut the section out between the 2 holes to allow the tang to slip through that section. This process is kind of difficult at times because sometimes the wood will split and I'll have to start on a whole new one. I'm using a action figure hand for reference. I use these alligator clips to hold some wood pieces down on the handle to thicken up the handle. This goes over the tang. Once that's done, I carve and sand and get the shape that I want. After I get the blade shaped, I start on the scabber. This is usually a couple of craft sticks that are a little bit larger than the blade itself. And then I use these coffee stir sticks for the sides of the scabber. I create like a little box shape. I do this by using super glue and gluing the pieces together. Once I get the 2 sides of the scabber done, I'll usually find a scrap piece of wood to put in. That'll kind of act like the blade. That way when I lay another piece on top of it and start gluing it down, if it gets glued into place, I don't lose my blade that I started on. I find it easier to glue sandpaper to craft sticks to make my own files. And this really helps out to shape the project. And after shaping the scabber and sword, it's time to start painting. For this project, I wanted the colors to be real flat, so I used permanent markers. These also soak into the wood, and they don't add any additional dimensions to the sword. Then once complete, my custom Snake Eyes has a new ninja sword. I meticulously wrap the handle with black thread, and the blade is silver, and the handguard is a bronze or a brass color. And then instead of adding a length of string to the scabber, I just created a small metal loop. My custom Snake Eyes has a piece of Velcro that fits through the loop, and he could hold it. I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to have him use 2 swords or just one. Either way, I think it turned out really good. I'm very pleased with it. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.